Okay, so let's be real. If you're still just asking AI to write a simple email, you're getting left behind. We're moving way beyond that. Today, we're going to talk about how the absolute top-tier sales pros are becoming what we call AI architects, and using that to build a serious strategic edge.
And just so you know where this is all coming from, everything we're about to cover is pulled straight from the pro-level stuff. We're talking Chapter 8 of the Advanced Prompt Engineering Guide from Virtualization Options LLC. This is the real deal.
So the very first thing we got to tackle, it's a massive shift in how you think. You see, most people are AI users. They're reactive. They treat AI like a glorified assistant for little one-off tasks. But where you want to be as an AI architect, that's when you're proactive. You're thinking big picture, and you're using AI as a true strategic partner to design entire systems.
Okay, so what does that jump from user to architect really look like? What does it actually mean to start building with AI in your sales process? Let's break it down. And this is the absolute key right here. This isn't about just finding a slightly better way to ask for a summary. Nope. This is about looking at your entire sales process and fundamentally redesigning your workflows around what AI is capable of. It's about changing the very architecture of how you work.
All right, so how do we actually do that? Well, the source material points to one core technique that is an absolute game changer, building what are called complex reasoning chains.
Now, this is so much smarter than just throwing one giant messy question at the AI and, crossing your fingers. Instead, you create a sequence of prompts that actually depend on each other. Each step builds on the last one, guiding the AI through this logical step-by-step analysis, kind of like how you'd walk a junior strategist through a problem to get to a really sophisticated answer.
And the process for this is just brilliant. First, you decompose the problem. You break that huge, scary challenge down into smaller, manageable pieces. Then, you create those dependent prompts, making the AI build on its own logic. But here's the crucial part. You build in verification steps to check its work along the way. You've got to make sure it's on the right track. And only then, at the very end, do you pull it all together into one powerful final output.
Now this is where it gets really, really powerful. A single reasoning chain is great, but how do you turn that technique into a competitive weapon that you can use over and over again? The secret? You build your own custom arsenal, a personal library of your best stuff. Every time you create a brilliant, battle-tested prompt chain, you save it. You organize them by use case. Document the inputs it needs. You essentially create these reusable frameworks for things like account strategy. They become your own proprietary assets that save an incredible amount of time.
And look, the payoff for doing this is, it's huge. We're talking a 75% reduction in the time you spend on all those routine communication and documentation tasks.
You're completing complex market analysis, the deep dive stuff, 3 times faster than you ever could before.
And get this, it's not just about being faster. The quality goes way up. We're seeing a 45% improvement in the quality and consistency of proposals and customer materials. It's not just faster, it's better.
So where does all this take us? You move beyond just individual prompts and start designing fully integrated AI-powered workflows that blend machine intelligence with your expertise.
And a truly advanced workflow is a continuous loop. You've got AI doing the heavy lifting, gathering the info, doing the initial analysis, creating the first drafts. But then, and this is key, you, the human expert, step in for that critical review, that refinement, that final judgment call. And what you learn from that feeds right back into the system, making it smarter for next time. It's this awesome cycle of constant improvement.
All right, so this all sounds great in theory, right? But what happens when the pressure is really on? How does being an AI architect actually play out in the real world?
Let's think about a few high-stakes situations where a strategic response means everything.
So imagine a major customer is in crisis. You can use a reasoning chain to instantly analyze the situation, generate recovery plans, and even draft communications. Or maybe you're entering a new market. You can build an entire go-to-market strategy from the ground up. And for a complex negotiation, you can analyze motivations and prepare for every single objection. This is high-level strategic work done in hours, not weeks.
And that really gets to the heart of it all. The goal isn't to replace your judgment. It's to amplify your abilities. You use AI to orchestrate the routine, the time-consuming analysis, and that frees you up to focus on the truly remarkable, the strategic thinking and authentic relationships where you, the human, create all the difference.
So look, the tools and the techniques are all here. You now have the blueprint to move from simply using AI to actually architecting your own success. The only question left is, what will you build?